Hello everyone, we are here with an international winner from Marseille. Marseille released on Sunday. It was a very hard race, very difficult, very hard temperature in France. The winner is in the lofts of Olivier Novak in Buissière. It is a 2-year-old cock on middle size type. The ring number is 11.53584 from 2020. First, he was the first national winner in Belgium against 2,326 whole birds, and after the other pigeons in the Netherlands, he is also the winner on international level against 9,812 birds. The distance from Marseille to this loft was 790 kilometers and 406 meters, and the velocity was 1141.75 meters per minute.